Right. Hey guys, and today I'm going to walk you through on how to prepare your app in readiness to be published on Play Store. These are the things that you really need to have in your mind, like this thing they called App Store optimization. I'm going to show you one thing you should have in your mind. Like, let's go to Play Store and check something. Yeah, we can see that some of this application here, like Creator Studio. Let's talk about this Creator Studio. This is for Meta platform, right? Then when you check this screenshot right down here, you're going to see this. These are one of the main things that make people to click and install your app. This is one of the reason why some other app tend to have more installation compared to other apps. You understand? So I'm going to show you how to prepare this kind of screenshots, and I'm going to show you everything right now. You can see that even this Google Ads, you can see the screenshot is here. And the reason why I'm trying to show you this is that most people read and also check your screenshot right here before they install any of your apps. So if you're unable to make this screenshot very nice and neat, in fact, you're likely not going to make more installation like that. You getting it? So I'm going to show you the way and how to do it. So you follow the step and then make a very good stunning screenshot for your app so that people will kind of um, install your app, right? So I'm also going to show you example. Like, let's say talk about this Gucci Jennifer song. You can see that this app right here. Wait, let me turn on my brush. You see that this particular app here, sorry, this app here has more installation compared to all these ones right here. This one has up to 500 plus, 100 plus, 100 plus. Okay, this one is different one, right? So I'm going to open it one after the other. So look at this one right now. You can see the type of screenshot that this guy used here, which is, it's not normal. It's not normal. You can see it. Nobody would like to install this kind of stuff, right? So, and if you check this particular one right now, you're going to see a different thing. You can see it. It's all different stuff. So, and that's why this particular app was able to make up to 5,000 downloads. You can see it now. This is 5k plus. You understand? But this particular one has also just 500 plus. All right. So just follow this step and make your app go far. You understand? Make your app go far, right? Then for you to do this, what you just need to do is you open the particular app which you're going to publish. Which, okay, let's say we are using this prayer book. Okay, let's take a screenshot of the splash screen. Good. Okay, let's take a screenshot of this side. That's nice. Let's take a screenshot from here. Good. Let's take from daily prayer. Devotional prayer. Okay, that is nice. Let's take this for example. Now we are going to launch our Pixels Lab. This is the app I use in designing my own stuff right now. Okay, so if you don't really know how to use this app, you can watch other videos here, so you can learn how to make use of this Pixels Lab. All right. So, but just watch me do this particular one here. Okay. Now, the first thing you really need to do here is to change the paper size, which is here. You're going to change the paper size by clicking there. Then here you're going to change this to 500 by 1024. That is the normal size of the screenshot on Play Store. You can see it here. The size, this is the size. Good. Now what you just need to do now is to change the background. Then what you just need to do is to check the color of your app to see if it will tally with what you're going to give your app right now. Okay, some at times you use the color of your app. At times, if your app is just pure white, you can use any other background that you like. Okay, so and now I'm going to click here. This is background, and click on color. Then maybe I change this color to this stuff here. This is nice. Let me just use this. Now you click on this plus button here. You can see this plus button here at the upper side. Click on it here, and you're going to see from gallery. Click from gallery there, and it's going to open where you're going to select those screenshots which you screenshotted right now. Then we're going to start from this the splash screen. This is it here. You can see it. This is it here. Good. Now this is not how it's supposed to look. We need to put it into a frame. You understand? Then you can actually go to Google and search for any frame of your choice, any phone frame of your choice. Some people might like to use iOS, some people might like Android. Any frame of your choice, you can just go down there and download it. Then I have the ones that I have already downloaded here, so I'm going to be using that particular one. This is it here. You can see it now. So I'm going to put this screenshot inside this phone right now. Just watch the way I'll do it. Now make sure you select this particular frame, and then you go to this particular place, and then look for erase. This is it here. Click on erase. Sorry, I mean erase color. This is it, erase color. Then you turn on this thing on. It's going to erase the whole color out. All right, you can see it now. Now what you just need to do now is to go to stroke and turn on this stuff on, so that the corners will be that bright. You can see it now. It's very very bright, the corner. Right now what you just need to do is you click on it, and then send it to back. You can see send to back here. You can see there. Just you see now, draw this thing close inside here, and then make sure you fill the front like this. You can see it now. You might say this is not working, that the corner radius is showing. So what you just need to do now is you click on the screenshot, and then send to back. You can see it now. This is just it. You see how it look like. Then what you just need to do now is you click here, and then click down below, and you're going to see where you're going to select, so that you merge both of them together, and then click here to group them. It's going to turn one right now. You can see it is not movable. You cannot move it. You cannot check the shape anyhow you want it. All right, now you move it this way. You set it like this, and then you can put a text at the upper side of it like this. You can now say prayers made easy with this app. You can see it now. Then you go to align, and click here, so that it will not align the way it's supposed to be. You can see now. You can also change the font if you like. You can also change the font here, and where is the font? This is it here, font. Then you can change to any font of your choice. I prefer this because it's very very bold. You can see it now. Then what you just need to do now is to save. Now on save, click on here, you're going to see, sorry, to save this stuff right now, you're going to see this here, something like SD card. Click on it, and then you're going to save as project. Like if you like to edit it later, you can save as project, but right now we are just saving as an image. Then on saving this stuff right here, I'm going to show you something. If you save it this way right now, it's going to save, but those text and the image will not look very bright. So what you just need to do is you click here and then click it here. You're going to just use this ultra. It's going to be very neat. Then save this. You can see now. Let's wait for this ads. Okay, this is good. Now we have saved that particular one. Then maybe we click on undo. Okay, then we delete this particular one and then launch another one. The screenshot the next one. The next one. Okay, you can see it here. You repeat that same thing. Make sure you fill the font very well. Then you send it to back and it will lap. Repeat that same thing. Then maybe you copy this and then you hide it from here. Click on this eye, it's going to hide. You understand? So now as it is like this, then maybe you also group these two, group them together. And once you group them together like this, maybe you are trying to save two screenshots on the same screenshot. All right, then what you just need to do is you now you come here and allow this. Then you lock the other one. Okay, then you're going to launch another, maybe another screenshot here, and then make sure you repeat that same thing. Make sure you repeat that same thing, and then you send it to back. You see, then you also lock both of them together, group them together. Then after grouping it, then you come back and on, you see it's now two here. That is nice. Then you reduce the sizes so that it will look very nice. Maybe if you want this one to go to the back, you see, you click on send to the back while this one comes to the front. You can see it here. You can see it here. Anyhow you want it, you can just give it like this. Then if you want both to be facing each other, you go down here. You're going to see rotate. Sorry, you can see it here. This one come this side. Then you also use this. You can see anyhow you want it to be. All right, anyhow you want it to be, you can just use that same pattern, all right, to do it. So at times I prefer one big, one small, and then send this one to the front, and this particular one will be here. Right, then you put down your text at the upper side of the shot. Then you save this, you save it. Just calm down and do this up to 5 screenshots, all right. Now, so that when you post it on your Play Store, it will look very nice. To look very nice. Let's go to that let's go to my Pixels lab so we can check it to see how it look like. You can see it now. It's very nice. You see, you can see it now. Whenever you post this app with this kind of screenshot, people will likely to download and like they kind of install your app very well. You understand? You make more downloads. So that is my experience so far. Because many of you have been kind of asking me questions like, how do I promote my app to reach more people? If you do this, only this alone can attract more installations, right? Only this alone can help you make more installations from Play Store alone. So another thing is, whenever you're trying to promote your app, make sure you, before you create the app, make sure that you've already drafted a method which you use to promote the app. Maybe you create a Facebook page or Facebook group that is related to your app niche, or you can contact people that are already in the niche on Facebook for them to advertise your app on their Facebook. So you might even pay them for them to do that for you. And I promise you, with that, you're going to make more installation compared to running advert